Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chili beans and rice. So let's get toasting. I'm using my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. It's lightly oiled, and I'm using Jasmine rice. It seems to soften up better than some of the other types of rice I've tried, so because you're cooking it uncovered. And I'm also using 2 cups of water. Calls for a cup and a half, but I found when you're baking it like this uncovered, a little more extra water seems to work better. I'll season this lightly with some Johnny's seasoned pepper and some kosher salt. And then I'm going to put the chili beans just kind of right in the center. Kind of mix this up a little bit. These are just canned chili beans. I made this last night for dinner and it worked out pretty good. So I'll just I used half the can. This is a 30-ounce can, so I used about half that, so about 15 ounces. So I guess you could use a 15-ounce can and that would work. Alrighty, I'll just kind of spread those out a little bit. I'm not going to mix them all together. I just cooked them like this last night and then just kind of mixed it up at the end, and it worked out pretty good. So now I'll just get that into the toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 25 minutes. Let's take a look here. I think that looks pretty good. I have some shredded cheddar jack cheese. Might as well put a little bit out on top while it's hot. Let's see how this turned out. The cheese melted, so that looks good. See how the rice looks really good. See how nice and fluffy it is? I'm surprised that rice actually cooks that well, just baking it like that. But this turned out really good. Like I said, I made this last night. It was good. You can make burritos with this if you wanted to, or you could add, other stuff to it, salsa, or if you had some leftover chicken or whatever you want to throw in there. But anyway, let's try a bite. It came out real good. It's basic, but there's a lot of different things you could add to it. I'm not sure what Annie will think of this. Give her a little spoonful here. There you go. Here, just yeah, I guess she likes beans. She likes rice. Cleaned it up. Well, that was easy and fairly inexpensive, which is good these days. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.